Electronegativity is an ability of an atom in a molecule to attract to itself an electron pair that is shared with another atom. Greater the ability of an atom to attract the shared pair of electron, larger is the value of electronegativity. For example, in hydrochloric molecule, the electronegativity of chlorine is more than the electronegativity of hydrogen. It simply refers to the ability of the shared pair of an electron between the HCl to lie more toward chlorine than toward hydrogen. Electronegativity, like electron affinity, increase with decreased atomic radius and increases effective nuclear charge. It is important to difference between electron affinity and electronegativity. Electron affinity, like ionization potential, is an atomic property, whereas electron affinity is a molecular property. The abolition is based upon the assumption that the bond in A2, B2, and AB molecule are purely covalent. However, it was observed by Pauling that in most of the heteronuclear bond of the type AB, the actual bond energy is more than the geometric mean of the bond energy of EAA and EBB due to the same degree of ionic character. Electronegativity cannot be determined directly, but several indirect methods have been used to estimate relative electronegativity. All give similar result. Because electronegativity are relative, they have no units. It is not the electronegativity but the difference in the electronegativity of an atom joined by the covalent bond is important. Method for the determination of an electronegativity. Some of the method known for the determination of electronegativity are discussed below. Pauling scale of electronegativity. Linus Pauling, 1932, was the first to propose a scale of electronegativity on the basis of the bond energy. According to Pauling, in a purely covalent bond, 100%, the bond energy of a molecule AB, energy of AB is the geometric mean of the bond energy of an atom A and B. EAA and EBB is EAA is equal to bond energy of A bond multiply bond energy of B bond की power 1 by 2. Because of the partial ionic character, AB bond is stronger than would be expected from the pure covalent ion. This extra bond energy is given by delta. Delta is equal to actual bond energy minus energy for 100% covalent bond. Delta is the extra bond energy and is measured the polarity of the bond AB, which depend upon the electronegative atom A and B. This excess bond energy arises due to the resonance between the covalent bond AB and the ionic character A positive, B negative, and also known as the resonance energy. By calculating delta E for different bond, Pauling suggests the following empirical expression to correlate delta with the electronegativity of two atoms xi A and xi B. Xi A minus xi B is equal to 0.18 del E की power 1 by 2, where del E is excess bond energy in kilocalorie per mole. However, if del is expressed in electron volt per molecule, the above expression reduced to xi A minus xi B is equal to 0.0208 del E की power 1 by 2. EA is equal to EAA multiply EBB की power 1 by 2. But experimentally value of bond energy EAB is greater than a calculated value. The difference is given by del. Therefore, del is equal to energy of AB minus energy of AA multiply energy of BB की power 1 by 2. In SI, the relation becomes xi A minus xi B is equal to 0.088 del E की power 1 by 2. Second method is a Mulliken scale of electronegativity. In 1934, Mulliken proposed a new scale of electronegativity. This proposal is based upon the ionization energy and electron affinity of an atom. According to Mulliken, the tendency of an atom to complete for the shared pair of electron in a bond is the average of the ionization energy and electron affinity. It can be expressed mathematically. Electron negative of atom is equal to ionization energy plus electronegative affinity by 2. Mulliken used IA and EA value in electron volt, and the value obtained were nearly 2.8 times larger than the Pauling method. However, it is convenient to use 1 or E value in kilojoule per mole. Thus can be changed to kilojoule per mole as follow. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.6